Attention please. Passengers for flight 324 to the country of chocolates, please go to gate 1. Pasajeros con destino al país de los chocolates.
Good afternoon, dear passengers. The Captain Retail Service and the whole crew, on behalf of Super Airplane, welcome to the Super Plane to the country of Pralaleo.
Este es un viaje espacial, un avión especial que está despegando. Abróchate cinturones, turbulencia de emociones, un piloto actor al mando. Puede que de compañero haya un pasajero vestido de verde. Son marcianos que a las nubes divertidos ellos suben hasta que por fin se pierden. Airplane, play with air, qué divertido es. Airplane, play with air, vamos a aprender inglés. Today we want to show you the country of colors, white moon, pink flowers, red to fall in love, green for the cricket, and the sunny yellow, the wood is brown, and the night is black, blue in the sky, transparent eyes, a beautiful rainbow to look at. Muda, mudita, my love, wild fields and tropical rhythm. There come the animals dancing and singing even at night. Heaven with a little monkey, a hippo, a lion and a crocodile. Laughter, applause and roars, the giraffe shouts, everyone move!
Magic! Hooray! Great!
Airplane, play with air, qué divertido fue. Airplane, play with air, jugar aprendiendo inglés. Airplane, play with air, flying to fantastic world. Airplane, play with air, se termina la función.